Gold and silver prices are rising sharply, and this is not random. First, why is this happening? Gold and silver go up when fear goes up. Right now, investors are worried about inflation, wars, slowing growth, and unstable currencies. When trust in paper money drops, people move money into real assets like gold and silver. That demand pushes prices higher. Second, interest rates play a big role. Gold and silver don't pay interest. So when interest rates are high, metals look less attractive. But markets are now expecting future rate cuts. That means holding gold becomes cheaper, so big investors buy more, driving prices up. Third, central banks are buying gold aggressively. Countries like China and others are reducing dependence on the US dollar. Brics, the primary motivation is to hedge against the weaponization of the dollar by the US government. Following the freezing of Russia's substantial foreign reserves after its invasion of Ukraine, other nations became wary of holding large dollar reserves that could be similarly targeted by US sanctions in the future. They buy gold to protect their reserves from sanctions, currency risk, and debt crises. When central banks buy in bulk, it removes supply from the market, raising prices globally. Fourth, silver has a supply problem and a demand boom. Silver isn't just an investment. It's used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and AI hardware. Green energy expansion increased demand, but new silver mining hasn't kept up. High demand plus limited supply equals rapid price spikes. Now, how does this affect the global economy? When gold rises, it signals low confidence in stocks, bonds, and currencies. It's a warning sign that investors expect economic stress or inflation ahead. Silver's rise directly affects manufacturing costs. If silver gets expensive, electronics, solar panels, and EVs become costlier, slowing production and raising consumer prices. Investors, miners, and gold-holding nations benefit. Manufacturers, consumers, and importing countries face higher costs and inflation pressure. What should people watch next? Watch inflation data. Higher inflation supports metals. Watch central bank decisions. Rate cuts push prices higher. Watch wars and geopolitical tensions. Conflict boosts safe haven demand. And watch industrial demand, especially in clean energy and tech. Final takeaway. Gold rising means fear and currency risk. Silver rising means industrial strain and supply pressure. When both rise together, it usually signals economic uncertainty ahead.